Hi everyone, I'm CKGo. I'm the General Manager of Ocean3S. So today I'm going to show you how to install our Facebook Marketing Service software into your computer. So this software installation guidance is for Mac OS only. Let's say like you're using iMac, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, this is for you. So first of all, you need to make sure is there a WinZip software in your computer. If you don't, you need to follow what I do now. You need to download WinZip. So you copy the link here and you go to WinZip website and you click download trial. It's free, go for it. So you save in desktop, you click save. Then you open it. You can see a WinZip here. So you click this, you move it to your application. So waiting for that. Okay. Now WinZip is already in your application. How to check that? You go to application. You can see a WinZip here. Yes, you could. Yes, you can. Okay, then you can move on to the next step. What's the next step? Go to Python.org. You need Python. If you already have Python in your computer, you don't have to do this. So if you don't, mostly of you don't, I guess. So you copy this and you paste here and you go to Python and you download Python. How do you download? You click this download and you click for Mac, yeah. Python 3.8.3. Save in desktop, save. So you click it. And you click continue, 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 agree, and you click install. Then you key in your MacBook password. So wait for a while. It's going to take a minute. So now you have Python in your computer. Wait a few more minutes. Yep, successfully. So how do you check that? You go back to application. Yeah, you can see your Python here. Now you have Python. So now you can proceed to download our software. So this is our software link. You can copy it from the slide and you paste it here. So you can remove all these things first from the previous installation. You empty your trash. Okay. Okay, now if you're Mac, you're using Mac, you double click this, Hummingbird Mac. So it's downloaded right now. You install it in your desktop. So now you can close this thing. So what if you didn't pay for the WinZip membership? You can see now you didn't buy the WinZip. It's okay, you don't need the WinZip. You just right click, open with archive utility. There goes the folder right here, Hummingbird Mac. This is our software. So you can delete this. So what you need to do now, you go to accounts. Okay, let's say you click it. You can see everything here, username, Facebook username. So what you need to do now is your Google Chrome username. Let's say mine is Nicole Lim. This is for my new Facebook account one. So Facebook username. This is actually your registered email or your registered phone. So you can, let's say I'll place in my registered email for my Facebook account. This is your new account that you created for testing the software. So let me click in, Facebook password. So this is the good username that you registered just now. So mine is CKGo, sorry, CKGo testing 1. This is the good password, and this there's 0 and 8. 0 means no auto reference. 1 means auto reference. So let's say I want to auto reference, I place a 1 here. Okay, so now I close it. I go to config. I right click it, open with text edit. You can see echo successfully configured, something like this. So what you need to do is open with other. Then you from application you change to utilities. Recommended to all, and you click terminal, always open with, and you click open. So you click open. There's a screen like this pop up. So you just type your password. If the password wouldn't show on the screen, you just type it in your MacBook password. Like me, I'm typing it right now. So once you finish typing, you click enter. The password won't gonna show on the screen. So you can see process complete. Close it. Go back and you click launch. Open with text edit. You can see a code, something like this. Never mind. You click open with other, application to utilities, recommended to all, click terminal, click always open with, click open. So you click open. You can click sleep or cancel, it depends on you. Okay, then you click cancel. Let's say I click cancel. So now you can see I'm not doing anything. My hands is on the air. The software is running on itself. It's auto logging in my Facebook and goods and do whatever is on there. So if you auto add friends, auto like posts, comment posts, and share posts and view videos. This is what our software does. So let's say after this free trial session, once you became our Ocean member, so you have 4 accounts to run, right? How do you run it? You double click this account. You see account 1 here, right? You duplicate it. Like this. Duplicate again, and duplicate again. Okay? So what you need to do is, now you have 4 Facebook accounts to run once you are Ocean's member, right? So you click it. This is your first Facebook account. You need to remove it and place your second Facebook account. Let's say like this. This is my second Facebook account that I created. So you just click it and you copy and paste here. Like this is your Google Chrome username, your Facebook registered email or handphone, your Facebook account password, your goods ID username, your goods password, and 1 is for auto add friends, 0 is not adding any friends. So this one is the same. Let's say this is my third account. So I just copy and paste here. If you write it down, you can copy and paste, or else you just have to type it in. Close it. And this is my 4th account. So once you became Ocean member, you have 4 accounts to run, which is very convenient. The system will run it for you, like this. So once you've done all that, you can click launch again. Then the system will auto run again, like, comment, post, share post, auto add friends, do everything for you with the 4 new Facebook account that you registered.